Hello friends, in this module we are going to understand about the entertainment industry, that is Bollywood, that is there in our state Maharashtra, and various measures taken by the government of Maharashtra to uplift it even more. Entertainment industry. We all are big fans of Bollywood. Bollywood attracts a lot of people towards Mumbai. Mumbai's name is further actually resembled with Bollywood. Kolhapur is a place which is actually increasing in regional kind of movies. Marathi movies, Kolhapur has become very famous. Likewise, Mumbai is very famous for Bollywood. Entertainment industry has taken a big leap in Maharashtra because a lot of people are attracted towards Maharashtra because of this industry. We also have Goregaon Film City, where shoots of a lot of movies, serials and other things take place. That is also attracting a lot of tourists. Entertainment industry is huge and also it is having a great income for the entire country. So we need to focus on this industry so that it helps in the social development, in the thinking of people as well. Social development happens because of these movies. So we need to lay emphasis on the entertainment industry as well. It is a leading generator of income for the entire economy. Thank you.